All right, guys, Garry Dean, Rapid Ride Rehab. I got this 74 Volkswagen Super Beetle done in Aztec White. And this is part 4. I just went ahead and skipped all the fluff and in the middle stuff. I did get that final 3rd coat of base on yesterday morning. And then I put 2 coats of high solids clear, wet on wet. So there's a lot of material on here, and it looks great. Just looks pretty great. Pretty happy with it. I did get a couple of runs, and a wise man once told me, a wise painter man, an older painter man, once told me, if you don't get runs occasionally, you're not using enough material. So it's okay to get a run or two, especially if you can get them out. So let me show you the work and where we're at today. All right, so I had a little bit of an issue with something that got in the clear. I got it out so there's no stain, but it left this weird bird bomb looking etching thing. So I gotta sand that out. There's also a little bit right there. You can see that. I did get a run there. You can see that. There's also a small run there. That is all that I noticed. I was spraying in almost 90-degree weather yesterday. It is currently 82 degrees and 72% humidity. If my client chooses to replace those seals, he can at a later date. I got a little piece of something in there. Got to get that out. But overall, it came out really nice. Orange peel isn't ridiculous. We definitely got a little bit of texture. I'm going to do a light wet sanding on this thing and a light polish. And that's where we're at. So pretty happy with the gloss and the level in which it turned out. Again, I'm going to do a light cut and buff, nothing real fancy. I'm going to do my best to remove some of the dryness that generally happens just because it's so hot when I have to spray. The body work is not perfect. You can see there's still a little ding there, which I didn't notice. And this is not a perfection job. This is I'm trying to spend a little bit of money to make this thing look better job. And so that's where we're at. Looks great in my opinion. These fenders were freaking washboards when I got them. They are not perfect, but they look a lot better. This one was the worst one, and it's definitely not perfect, but apparently both the fenders were smashed in. He pulled them out, did some body work. It wasn't quite good enough, so I did a little bit of additional body work, and we got them looking pretty good. So I got those 2 runs and a couple other spots that need to come out, and then just a general cut and buff over everything. I'm going to use 2,000 grit. I'm not going to do 1,500, then 2,000, then 3,000 grit. I'm just going to do 2,000 grit on the whole car. I might wipe it down real quick with the 3,000 just to make it easier to buff. And then I'm probably just going to do a single step of polishing instead of 2 steps. So again, this is more of a budget type paint job, but really good quality materials. And that's it. I mean, you guys saw part 1 and we're on part 4. And this thing came a long way. It is not perfect, but it is really good, and that's what matters. And what I do is I do my best to cater to your budget. Now, there's a certain level of budget, that I just can't get to because my quality level is much higher than your cheap guy. But I do my best to try to blend your budget into reality and come up with something good that we can both live with for time and money. So I'm more than willing to talk to you about your project, give you my suggestions, take your suggestions, and blend all of it together with your budget and see what we can come up with to get her done for you. So that's what I do. I do less full resprays and more fender bender blending, but I love doing these entire cars, especially these restoration ones, because it's a huge difference when you're done. So really happy with how it turned out. I am going to cut and buff it, and then I'll bring you back to see the grand finale, which will be part 5. And I'll have it outside in the sunlight where you can see all the goodness. So, all right, this is part 4, clear coat. Part 5 will be the grand finale. If you got questions for me, my cell phone number is 813-846-4406. If you'd like to talk about your project or just want to straight up hire me to do a project for you, give me a call. Send me a text message. Let's talk about it. All right. Garry Dean's Rapid Ride Rehab, Tampa Bay, Florida, I should say. I can do some mobile paint stuff, but for the most part, I prefer it to be in my environment so that I can give you the absolute best of everything I offer. So we could talk about it if you need something different, but we'll catch you on part 5, I guess. I'll make that the grand finale. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.